We are having a party this morning. It's opening day in Atlanta, and we are really excited to invite you into our showroom. We are standing right in the middle of Peppermint party, and everyone is happy and everyone's having a great time. We have some fantastic new products for you here, and we have some best sellers in Peppermint party, and that pleases most of our buyers. If you've never been with us at Melrose before, we are on the 17th floor. We sell holiday decor in this showroom, and today our doors are wide open. If you've never been in and you'd like to come in, browse the Melrose showroom, take a look around as a solo shopper, we welcome you to do that. If you would like to set an appointment with someone who's got industry knowledge and knows all of the hottest products and the best buys in this showroom, make sure to reach out to us, set an appointment with the Melrose sales rep. We would be happy to give you a guided tour of all of our 14 new collections. But first, let's talk about the hottest item that was selling in Dallas and yesterday here in Atlanta, and it's on our Peppermint party tree. It is called the Infinity Lighting, and it is in 2 different candy canes. Now these candy canes are in a little bit smaller size and a larger size, and you know why this is so popular right now? Because it does not matter which direction you're looking at these candy canes. You're going to get that infinity light experience, and that's that light that just goes on and on and on. These are beautiful, and they are all trending. Now Erin is going to show you real quickly these trees, snowmen, and reindeer on this table. These are some of our other infinities and our little doggy holding a present that are doing tremendously right now. But there's one that's hidden away that I'm going to show you on this shelf. It is a little red truck with a green tree in the back. This is hot, ladies and gentlemen, because it also has its actual stand right here by the wheels. You can see that in the background. That is an incredible infinity light that is doing great with us right now, and I want to make sure you see that in Peppermint Party. As we come up the shelf, we're going to see another one of our hot items right now out of Dallas and out of Atlanta, and these are these set 3 trees with that peppermint swirl. This is a party of peppermint. Everything in this first collection is red and white, and as we know as retailers, red and white really does sell well for us. You know, in seasons past, we have always presented candy canes. We've always presented some of our ornaments to you with our elves that are always doing fun and exciting things. Part of our new wreaths, stems, and sprays that are doing well are that nice green with the red jingle bell on them. But as we kind of float through here from Peppermint Party and we start to move our way through, we're going to see a few more infinities. And then we're going to go over and look at a totally different look, but also with classic colors. We have One Horse Sleigh. And One Horse Sleigh is deep in color and saturation. It has a really rich emerald green and a really rich ruby red color. This tree right here is popular with just about everyone that's coming in the showroom to shop. This poinsettia stem right here is what everyone is talking about for stems, because let's look at how large the face of this poinsettia stem is. Not only that, this is a very supple and detailed velvet here with a lot of micro beading at the center. Now, I was talking to some sales reps, to people that really know retail, and they said our pricing on stems this year is the best in the entire industry. And so you want to make sure you talk to your Melrose sales rep about the fantastic pricing we have on this size and also on the smaller size poinsettias in either the emerald or into the ruby. We have a lot of ornaments here that are in our top 200, and you're maybe thinking, well, top 200, is that really good, Leanne? I mean, you have lots and lots of ornaments in Melrose. We have about 1,800 brand new products for holiday, and so when we look at something like this emerald ornament here or this ruby one, and they are in that top 200, we know that those are going to be very hot products and are trending very well. Let's slide over here really quickly, and I want to show you one more thing that is new for us and doing very, very well, and that's these aluminum detailed products on stands. We have three different designs here, but 6 different items. We have our trees on wooden stands, and we have our deer. And so we have this set here, and then of course we have down here, we have with the larger rack on the antlers. The aluminum products are doing very well this season. We have a lot of hot sellers. Again, if you've never been in the Melrose showroom before, we want to invite you in to see us. We're here on the 17th floor. We would be happy to allow you to peruse the showroom on your own or set you up with a qualified and very professional Melrose sales rep.